Hey guys, welcome back to the Bayside Fabrication YouTube channel. We got a quick little how-to today, and that is how to restore this ABS plastic. Now, there's a couple methods. One of them is using something like this. I've used it before. It works really, really well. However, it only lasts like a month, and then it turns back to this gray, crappy look. So the other method is to use some heat and to actually get the plastic hot, and it will get that nice, you know, satin black look to it again. Now, some people have used torches, which I do not recommend because things can go real sideways real quick because there's just too much heat. So today we're just using our trusty, well, this is the Drill Master. This is a $9 Harbor Freight heat gun, and it works really well for this job. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. It takes a little bit of time because it goes kind of slow, but the results are really good. So let's fire this thing up and just show you how to do it. So you wanna make sure the plastic and the material is nice and clean, and you always wanna do an inconspicuous spot at first. On this car, you know, up underneath the side skirt or something would be a good place to start. Also, you can damage your paint if you're not careful, so just gotta be really careful when doing this. A test spot is what you really need to do first. This car, I've already done a test spot. The paint holds up really well. Nothing weird happens. So let me just show you how to do this. Just a matter of getting it hot enough and it will go. See it start to go there? There we go. Now this is where you want to be careful, getting near the paint. All right, so here's a before and after. So you can obviously see that there's a dramatic difference. So what we're gonna do is just do this whole bumper. This is probably the worst part of the car because it gets the most exposure to the sun. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep plugging away and I'll show you the end result. So when doing this, make sure you don't direct the heat towards the paint, because this is pretty hot. So you don't want to aim it towards the paint like that. You just want to keep it nice and focused on your black trim here. And you'll get results. All right, I just want to show you a little before and after. This is before. This is one side. I know it's in the shade, so it's kind of hard to tell. And then after, here's the front. Now this isn't absolutely perfect. It's not like, you know, brand new looking, but it's really, really noticeable. And here's where, you know, you can see the biggest difference. I mean, that's after, that's before. So it just turns this gray faded look just into a dark wet look. Like I said, it's a little bit splotchy. I mean, it's not going to be perfect, but it sure is a lot better than that. So thanks for watching, guys. If you burn your paint, it's not my fault. Have a good one. See you on the next one.